All right, so we're back with the Elsinore, and as you can see, I've put the fender back on it and the flap, and obviously we still have that front rim. Nothing's changed there. That's rebuilt, and the rear. And I've thrown the tank on it and the seat to show you, what this thing's starting to look like. And I gotta say, this bike is starting to really look like something without even being taken down yet. So what I'm gonna do in the next stages is I'm going to rebuild a front set of forks. I have a front set of forks that I bought off of the electronic bay, and I'm going to rebuild those so I have them and they're done. And I'm going to remove the exhaust. And I actually bought another pipe for it, but I don't like the way it fits, so I'm not going to use it. I'm going to run the stock exhaust. And we're going to proceed with this thing, you know, not as planned, because originally I said I was going to do the body work and then I was going to tear down the bike, but I've changed my mind again, and that I saw this phenomenal deal on eBay uh, for these forks, and it had the triple clamps, and it had all this hardware in here, and it's in beautiful shape. And I thank the guy for it, no doubt about it. And then I'm going to iron out this exhaust here. I've got to get this aluminum straightened out and buffed. And we're going to take this exhaust and we're going to put kerosene in it to get the 2-cycle out of it, because it weighs a ton and a lot of it is 2-cycle oil. And then we're going to proceed. But I just wanted to kind of give you an update as to where we are. I think the bike's pretty nice as it sits, but oh, and I'm going to paint the rear fender. So, but I think it's nice, and I'm going to have all these components done. And I tell you, once I break this bike down, I will break it down on, say, a Friday evening. I'll put the chassis back together by Sunday evening, and I'll have a roller back in the game and I go through the engine. It's about cleaning it and putting it together. So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe.